What's up, guys? It's been a while. Got quite a bit done this week and past week, but got Dakota Sims Can-Am back up here doing some work. Started to back up Dez's chassis. Got the winch mounted in the back, got the motor about mounted up. Starting to lay out paneling on it, get the seat decking in there. But I think this one should look pretty mean in the trails. And then we got Dakotas. I haven't really showed a whole bunch of it yet. I'll go ahead and put some pictures and videos with this video. But got interior delete. Made a custom dash for it. Getting extruded or expanded sheet metal floor pans. Still got to make the door panels, quarter panels, and these panels up here. Decided to boat the sides. We gained 6 inches of width per side, so it's 6 inches narrower now. Got the paneling going on in the front. Think it should look pretty good. And then we got Pro XP out here that we're building a cage. Doing a full cage, doors, bumpers, bed delete. You'll see more of it the coming weeks. Got the radiator relocation on Miguel's. Should be having this wrapped up this weekend too. And then Devin's is back just so that I can go ahead and finish doing paneling. He took the door panels off for Moab when he took it. They just need to put back on, but I need to go up here and finish the center panel and one of these panels, along with I got to make the exhaust or the intake mount. But maybe see about getting this finished up this week too. But yeah, if you have any insurance work you need to send my way, handle insurance claims, and I can do any repairs you need and have plenty of parts for it all. But yeah, hopefully start knocking some stuff out, getting it done quicker, and start showing some good progress around here, and get back to doing my weekly updates for you guys. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw some pictures in with this, and hope you enjoy.